How to update Lovpoi GPS. To update your Lovpoi GPS device, follow these steps. 1. Connect your Lovpoi GPS device to a computer or laptop using the provided USB cable. 2. On your computer, open a web browser and visit the official Lovpoi website. 3. Look for a section or tab on the website dedicated to software updates or support for GPS devices. 4. Locate the specific software or firmware update for your model of Lovpoi GPS device. 5. Download the latest software or firmware update file to your computer. 6. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. 7. Extract or unzip the downloaded file if it is in a compressed format, example, zip. 8. Open the extracted folder and look for the update file with a file extension such as .exe or .bin. 9. Double-click on the update file to start the update process. 10. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Lovpoi update software. 11. Typically, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to update your GPS device. Proceed with the update. 12. During the update process, do not disconnect the GPS device from the computer or interrupt the update. 13. Once the update is complete, you may be prompted to restart your GPS device. If so, follow the instructions to restart it. 14. Disconnect the Lovpoi GPS device from the computer after the update is finished. 15. Power on your Lovpoi GPS device and verify that the update was successful by checking for any new features or improvements. If you encounter any issues during the update, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.